Jai Hind everyone, good morning to all of you. This is Pooja Upadhyay from Shri Ram Public School. I welcome you all in Shri Ram Public School online classes. Today we are going to start with a new topic that is importance of management. अभी तक हमने इस चैप्टर में फीचर्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट देखा. नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी द importance of the management. The above mentioned mathematical equation highlight the significance of the management very well. Here by anything we all the type of the activities whether the business or the non-business organization, if we are not going to manage this activity the result will be zero. आपको पता होगा कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कई फंक्शंस कई एक्टिविटीज़ होती जैसे प्रोडक्शन परचेस फाइनेंस सेल्स मार्केटिंग और इन सब को स्मूथली करने के लिए हमें मैनेजमेंट की ज़रूरत है. अगर मैनेजमेंट ना किया जाए तो ये सारे एक्टिविटीज़ का आउटपुट जो होगा वो ज़ीरो होगा. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आपने एडमिशन ले लिया क्लास 12th में लेकिन आप स्टडी नहीं कर रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली डैम श्योर है कि आप ज़ीरो होकर के फेल हो जाएंगे क्योंकि आपने मैनेजमेंट नहीं किया. तो अब हम आगे देखेंगे कि मैनेजमेंट करने के फ़ायदे क्या क्या होते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इट्स योर मैनेजमेंट हेल्प इन अचीविंग द ग्रुप गोल. इट मीन्स दैट if you having any goals then it will be overcome or it will be complete fulfilled with the help of only the management. Needless to say that it is a goal oriented activity. To achieve the group goal the manager give the proper direction to the effort of all his subordinate. It means that if you having goal in your life you have to do the management for achieving the same. Next is your management increase the efficiency. In the starting only in the chapter we have studied about the efficiency and effectiveness. I hope so you know the meaning but once again I will revise for your reference. The term effectiveness refers to completing of the work on time at any cost. Once you are able to achieve your goal on time then you can able to increase your strength or efficiency. The next term is efficiency. Efficiency means completing the work on time that is also with a lesser amount of the cost. The manager increases efficiency through the optimum use of resources. It means that you can improve your efficiency only by using the management because management only teach us how to reduce the cost and the time. Next, dynamic organization. As you know, nowadays the various changes took the place in the market because of this coronavirus. Lots of industries, institutions get affected because of this. That's why but still not a one institution or organization is to stop doing their work. They are accepting all the changes and adjusted themselves according to such situation like school organization everywhere, right? So dynamic का मतलब ये होता है कि जो changes होते हैं environment में उसे dynamic कहा जाता है. Every organization work in the ever dynamic changing environment. To face the changing environment many changes need to be made in the organization as well, but the people resist changes. Manager create the favorable environment. It means that whatever the changes took the place in the organization, according to the changes, you need to do your management. Because management only the one thing which teach you how to manage yourself, your activities, according to the changes took the place in the organization. Management helps in achieving the personal objective. The goal of the organization will be achieved only with the help of the management and employee. If the employee work efficiently and effectively, then the company will achieve their goal. So it is a duty of the organization also to fulfill the personal objective means fulfilling the employee requirement like increasing of their salary, remuneration, making promotion, providing the better working condition, all such. And this is possible, the company will be able to do all such thing only when they earn the good amount of the profit, and the good amount of the profit of the company will be possible only when they use the management. Okay. Now the next one, the management help in the development of the society. Management has a responsibility toward the society. Manager by fulfilling their social responsibilities toward the societal different group win the confidence among the people of the society, like giving the good salary to the employee, providing the better quality goods to the customer, and giving the time to time taxes to the government. They win the favorable situation for them. Not only this much, but nowadays the companies providing the various facilities for the society like environmental protection, charity donation, employment generation, making the equality among the man woman while giving the job and equal salary to them. All such thing they do for the societal development. And my dear student, all such thing is possible only because of the management. So I hope so you understood what are the importance of the management in our life. So that's why you need to do the management if you're having any goal. Okay. So we'll stop here only today. If you're having any doubts, so you can ask me in the evening schedule. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind. Take care. Have a nice day.